Hacker Dojo is Silicon Valley's hackerspace. It's like a tech underground, a tech garage.
Amazing part of the membership here is the 24-hour access.
Hacker Dojo is a thriving ecosystem for builders and founders. Located in Mountain View, this is just a very rocking place.
You can build whatever you want.
The people that come in here are working on so many different levels of application and sciences, projects.
These doors are always open.
A cross-cultural experience. A lot of people from different countries, international people show up here.
This is a place which is more than a workplace or a co-working place. It's more like a community, a family.
Everything from, making cookies all the way up to building, satellite systems. So you can find everything in between.
This is a dog-friendly environment. I'm allowed to bring my best friend in here while I work, and there are other dogs here.
Hacker Dojo is a place where people are excited about tech, come together, learn from one another as a tech community.
If you're a budding entrepreneur, you can possibly find a co-founder here.
The ability for my team to, kind of spread out, for us to be able to work on the variable different types of projects and tactical tasks that are necessary for our operations.
So Hacker Dojo is a space that deserves expansion. Their 18,000 square feet space.
This has been a phenomenal space for that, and it's been a phenomenal community.
One of the biggest things is people have an understanding of respect for one another.
Many more people need to join this community. You're welcome to be part of this amazing technology garage in Silicon Valley. Join the donor drive and make a difference in the technology enthusiasts world. Thank you.